This is the dust boot here. And I think we have a seal here. Seal there. Then what do we have down here? Then we have a rubber washer around here. It's a round one. Comes off. Like that. My wife's trying to get a devilment. We have another rubber seal right here. Take that one off. Okay, we had the dust boot, the rubber washer, snap ring, steel washer, plastic washer, rubber washer, and this thing, I'm not sure what this was under here. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, the diversity tool, removing your steering box, because you want to replace the gaskets because they're leaking, or replace the whole box. Well, here we go. I would, instead of trying to get the oh my goodness, what is the name of this? Okay. I think that's the pitman arm. Yeah. It'd be easier to remove the whole pitman arm with the steering box instead of trying to take that off separately. And have the castle nut with a pin in it under there. And that's that part of it. You back out a little bit. Look like you're going to need this 7/8 socket to get the capsule nut off once